SPY again is on a double bottom, but look at how VWAP is right there. I want you guys to see this. So typically you're like, yay, I'm going to drive this to the upside, but look at where VWAP is, right? So even though this is a double bottom, look at, you can see it touched right here. So this is a dangerous position where normally I would say, hey, let's hammer this. Well, I'd be cautious. So if I'm going to long this, I'm not longing it here. I'm longing it here when it breaks and holds above VWAP. Does that make sense?
Yes, coach.
Because there's just not enough meat on the bones. From here to here,
No, it's nothing.
there's nothing there, right? This is a nice double bottom bounce, and now you guys are in it above VWAP, yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. And then where would your stop be?
Just below.
Under VWAP.
There you go. Don't make it all crazy complicated. Trade the trades, right? Now look at that. So again, perfect double bottom bounce execution. Wait for a better setup, which is above 404.65. Now it's at 605.10. Now you're in a great position. And guess what? Now you guys are up on a triple top. So now everybody's watching right here for a pullback. It's ping pong. I want you guys thinking of it like that all day. Right here, 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 until one side breaks out one way or the other at some point. Okay? It's ping pong till it shows us otherwise. All right?